I'm just doing a quick video on this heater that I got off Amazon because I'm really happy with it. This is only the second time I'm starting it, but I'm running it with dirty diesel fuel, just that stuff that you get at the truck stop. I am not running kerosene in it, and it goes in right there. Not the best day to be filming this. And it plugs in. That's for your igniter. And all I had to do was come over here and set the thermostat on what I wanted, and then press the start switch, which is right here. And I am really impressed with this thing. Now you can see, because it's putting out dirty, it's putting out a lot of artifacts because the fuel doesn't burn clean like kerosene. I'm telling you, I can stand several feet away from this thing, about 10 feet in front of it, and just feel the warmth coming off of this. And I only paid, I think I only paid $140 from Amazon because it was used like new. I don't think this thing's ever been used. It didn't show no signs of it. But anyway, this is really puts out a lot of heat. You just need to be mindful if you're going to use diesel fuel that you're going to get these sparks a little bit like that. They probably look bad in the video, but you know, don't be stupid like me and head it close to wood. But I'm going to move this in a minute. I'm just filming it for now. But I can stand all the way over there where I'm working on this old house and stay warm, and it really heats this house up. It's a lot nicer than this one I got